What's going on, everyone? Got a 2023 Toyota Corolla Cross here today. We'll show you how to pull out your cabin air filter. This car is brand new, so I'm pretty sure it's not going to need a filter, but I'm going to show you how to get to it anyways. Okay, so the filter is going to be located behind the glove box door. We're going to need to lower that. The first thing we're going to do is pull this damper off. Okay, it just pops right off. All right, if you look, it's just a little clip. Okay, so now what we're going to do is need to get the glove box past these stoppers by pushing the glove box in. Now when we do this, the glove box will actually come off the hinge. Okay, these hinges back here and the bottom down here, the glove box is made to do that. As you can see right here, it's just these plastic hinges like that. Okay, and we look, the cabin filter is in this box right here. To open the box, on the corners here, there's these tabs that we're going to squeeze and we're going to pull towards us. Okay, squeeze, pull, and then we can just take it off on the other side here. The other side, the left side, it actually just goes in, okay, with these pieces right here that go into the slot. Okay, now here's our cabin filter. We're going to pull it out. It is in a plastic retainer. Okay, when you get your new filter, you're going to have to just take this out of here and reuse the retainer. Alright, it just pops out from the top like that. Alright, now if we look at the old filter, which we're not changing today because it's pretty much new, notice how it says up. Okay, that's the airflow direction. So when you get your new filter, make sure we install it back in this holder the correct way. If you need a filter, there's going to be a part number in the description box and a link that takes you to Amazon where you can buy a filter if you need one. So check that out. Just stick this back in here. Now we want to push it in here where there's this gap at the bottom. Okay, so it needs to go all the way back in. And then we can just grab the door. Over here, left side in first. Get it in those slots, and then we just push it on, and it should click just like that. And the glove box door is really easy to put back on. Just line up the hinges like that. Okay, they don't click or anything. It just kind of sits on it. So all I have to do is just close the glove box. Come back over here to the damper, and then we just grab it and snap it back on. All done. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate if you drop me a like, leave me a comment, and I'll see you guys in another video.